If you want to eject the SIM tray from a Motorola Edge 70, but you don't have the eject tool, let me quickly share with you what you can use instead. So essentially, we are looking for something that will be small enough and also sturdy enough so that we can put it into this SIM tray hole and it won't break when we use a little bit of force. So in this case, I of course still have the eject tool, but at least you can see how it looks like, so you can have the general idea of what kind of tool you can try to find and use in this case. So you might be wondering what you can use. You can, for example, use a paper clip. If you have a paper clip, you can unband a small paper clip and use the pointed end to push it into the SIM tray hole. A small stud earring with a thin post can fit into the hole as well. And if you have like a thin safety pin, this can also be used to press it into the eject hole over here. Now, in addition to that, we can use a mechanical pencil. If the lead is retracted, the metal tip of a mechanical pencil may work. You might be able to push it over here. And you can also try to use a toothpick, but preferably it should be plastic toothpick, and sturdy one, of course. So it can be helpful if inserted carefully. So once you have your tool, if you have one of these tools that I mentioned or something similar, then you can just put it into this SIM tray hole. And then of course we need to use a little bit of force in order to push out the SIM tray. Of course you want to avoid using too much force to prevent damaging the tray or internal components. And after that we can just use our fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray completely from the phone. And that is pretty much it. Of course, once you insert your SIM card, remember to put the SIM tray back into the phone and make sure that it is fully in and it doesn't stick out. And also be careful not to try to insert the eject tool or something similar to that into the microphone, because over here we have the microphone and you want to not push your tool into this microphone. You want to push it over here where we have the SIM tray hole. So thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.